and inviting for the today's program celebrations to all. Firstly, I would like to wish you all happy 79th Independence Day. Today we have gathered here to honor and celebrate the sacrifice and hard work of our forefathers who fought for our freedom. Independence Day is a reminder of the power of unity, courage and determination. It's a day to reflect on our nation's progress and reform our commitment to its growth and prosperity. Firstly, I would like to welcome who has graciously agreed to be with us always. We welcome in his absence to our great person, Sri D.G. Shantana Gowda sir, President of Gurukula Charitable Trust, Honnari. Welcome you, sir. It's my pleasure to welcome Srimati Soumya Pradeep ma'am, Secretary of Gurukula Charitable Trust, Honnari. You are heartily welcome to the flag hosting ceremony, ma'am. I am grateful to welcome in his absence, Sri Somappa Sir, Treasurer, Gurukula Charitable Trust, Honnari. A warm welcome to the flag hosting ceremony. A special welcome to Sri Pradeep Sir, the school management and committee member of Sri Sai Gurukula Residential School and College, Honnari. A heartfelt welcome to the flag hosting ceremony, sir. I extend my warm welcome to Sri Surendra CG Sir, Principal, Sri Sai Gurukula Residential School and College, Honnari. A warm welcome to the flag hosting ceremony, sir. I am pleased to welcome Sri Raghavan Sir, Academic Counselor, Sri Sai Gurukula Residential School and College, Honnari. A warm welcome to the flag hosting ceremony, sir. A wholehearted welcome to all the trustees, teaching and non-teaching staff, and my dear children who gathering for this patriotic occasion. Welcome to all the today's great program. Thank you, Ananda.
We heartily welcome Sri Somappa Sir, the treasurer of this school management. So please welcome for flag hosting ceremony, sir.
भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंधु गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभाशिष मागे गाहे तव जय गाथा जनगण मंगल गायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता We are very happy and proud to be born on this land. Life, life without liberty is nothing, and body without spirit is nothing. The freedom, the struggle and courage and sacrifice behind this day.
This is the day we need to remember or give homage to the countless leaders, one who sacrificed their life.
The whole school is going to have one song led by our Greco and Hector. Satya House. Satya is considered for balanced and harmonious existence in the ways that it will. With the high level of neatness, the people of Satya House, our school, are here to give to our national flag through the march past. Dharma House. The implication of dharma is that there is a right or true way for it related to the concept of duty and selfless service or seva. Now, with the same intention, our students from Dharma House are marching towards the stage to salute our national flag. Shanti House. Shanti, specifically refers to our safe house, children's peaceful accomplishment through their march towards the tricolor flag. Prema House. Prema is a Sanskrit word meaning love or affection. Prema House has begun to show prema through our national flag with their spectacular march past. Backdrop. Everything starts with a rhythm and ends in march past to conclude this march past event. आज तिरंगा लहराता है अपनी पूरी जान से, दिल्ली की आजादी वीर शहीदों के बलिदान से। आज तिरंगा लहराता है अपनी पूरी Happy 79th Independence Day to all my students.
Sound well, you have to come to the hall for breakfast.
Mana-mana dia kantel lah.